Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. We had the pleasure of speaking with Cindy Noyes at the 2024 Arizona Concours about her beautifully restored 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk. Now, Cindy was determined to find a Studebaker Golden Hawk that she could truly make her own. Now, after an exhaustive search, in 2008 she discovered not one, but two abandoned 1957 Golden Hawks in a field. Realizing she couldn't leave one behind, Cindy took both cars, naming them Adam and Eve. Adam became the parts donor, providing the essential components to bring Eve to life. So you could say Adam gave his rib. But before obtaining Adam and Eve, Cindy told her husband she wanted a Golden Hawk. Like a good husband, he obliged and surprised her with a small die-cast model that would then inspire her journey. Cindy's Golden Hawk is finished in Aztec gold, just like her die-cast model, a nod to the original Studebaker color, but with an added twist of metal flakes for just a little extra sparkle. This custom paint job combined with white accents stands out in the Arizona sun. The attention to detail continues with multi-spoke chrome rims from an old Packard, each meticulously cleaned to shiny perfection, just like those gleaming chrome bumpers. Cindy says it takes about an hour and a half to clean each wheel. Under the hood lay the heart of the Golden Hawk, an original supercharged 289 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 275 horsepower. It was brought back to life by Creative Images in Newberg, Oregon. Now this engine is even complete with its original McCulloch supercharger. The pristine condition of the engine bay, free of oil and dirt, definitely speaks to the meticulous restoration process that spanned 4.5 years. Cindy said her favorite part of Eve would have to be her engine, and I might have to agree with her. The interior of the Golden Hawk is just as stunning as the exterior, with a cream and gold color scheme that mirrors the car's paint job. The dash, door trim, and seats are all crafted with the same level of detail, highlighted by a polished hatched metal dash and a multi-spoke chrome steering wheel. Cindy's dedication paid off, as her Golden Hawk has already won Best in Class at the Forest Grove Concours d'Elegance and turned heads at the 2024 Arizona Concours d'Elegance. Smiles per miles, she told me. Whether it's going to get ice cream with her husband or just cruising around town, Eve certainly puts a smile on everyone's face. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down below in the comments section. That's going to be the end of today's video. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out Auto Hunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video.